Hi everyone, welcome to BR Academy. Already we discussed limits part. Next its continuation part is continuity. Continuous. Continuous means it is continuous. Without pen lifting and without break, without goals, without jumping, it is continuity. So otherwise it is discontinuous. Discontinuous. So here to check whether f of x is continuous or not. First, through the graph we can check it. Otherwise, you check the at the point or the interval, which we can check it here. So here the graph of is drawn. Then we have to check that graph is unbroken, having no holes, no break. Then f of x is called continuous. Otherwise, it is discontinuous. See some graphs here. Here we know that y equal to sin x graph. It is continuous. It is continuous. This is y equal to sin x graph is continuous. So without pen lifting, this sin x function is what here continuous. Same y equal to cos x. It is also without pen lifting. So it is continuous. Then y equal to cos x is also continuous. Yes, y equal to tan x. Here y equal to tan x. You observe here 5/2 tan 90. That is how much? Infinite. It is minus infinity. Okay? So without here, but here some gap is there up to infinity. This gap is there. So in between minus 5/2 plus 5/2 for closed interval, it is not continuous. In this open interval, suppose in between 5/2, minus 5/2, 5/3, 5/4 to 5/4, so it is continuous. They are restricted here. Here are restricted. So that's why here its domain. If domain is what? X belongs to R minus 2n plus 1 5/2. For 2n plus 1 5/2, it is discontinuous. For R minus, remove the. So delete the values 2n plus 1 into 5/2. That values is continuous. Okay, na? That is graph of y equal to tan x. So next y equal to mod x. So y equal to mod x. We know that this is the y equal to x and it is y equal to minus x. Then it is continuous. It is a continuous. Here you observe here. See here the graph is here jumping here. So this graph is what here discontinuous and y equal to 1 by x, infinity plus infinity minus infinity. So this value is how much here? Not continuous. So it is discontinuous. And y equal to step x is also y equal to step x greatest integer function. See here 1 to 2 and after that it is jumping here 2 to 3, after that 3 to 4. So it is a discontinuous. Okay, na? Next one here, we can check the continuous at a single point or open interval or closed interval. Here single point at x equal to a. At x equal to a. Check at a point y equal to f of x is continuous at x equal to a if LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a. If LHL equal to RHL, then limit exists. So it is equal to f of a, then it is f is continuous, otherwise it is discontinuous. LHL not equal to RHL, so it is discontinuous. It is equal, it is continuous. Here limit x tends to a, f of x equal to f of a, then f is said to be continuous at x equal to a. If not equal, then it is discontinuous at x equal to a. Based on these two formulas, we will do the problems. Okay, na? This is the introduction of the continuity. Next, we will discuss the previous problems. The first one, let f of x equal to let f of x equal to 1 plus mod sin x whole power a by mod sin x. A by mod sin x here minus pi by 6 less than x less than 0. Next one b when x equal to 0. Next e power tan 2x by tan 3x. E power tan 2x by tan 3x if 0 less than x less than 5 by 6. Then the values of a, then the values of a and b, values of a and b if f is continuous, if f is continuous at x equal to 0 or respectively. Your first option 2 by 3 comma 3 by 2. Second option 2 by 3 comma e power 2 by 3. And third option 3 by 2 comma e power 3 by 2. Fourth option none of this. Right. Here continuity means what we had check here, LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a, or at x equal to 0 he asked here, so f of 0. So here f dash LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0. F is continuous. Here limit x tends to 0 minus, that is 0 minus f of x equal to 0, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to f of 0. Here limit x tends to 0 means it is just less than 0, just less than 0, that is x tends to 0 minus means that is x less than 0. X tends to 0 plus means it is just greater than 0, that is x greater than 0. See here x less than 0, what is the function here? X less than 0 function is 1 plus mod sin x a power a by mod sin x. Greater than 0 means what is the function here? Tan e power tan 2x by tan 3x. See here limit x tends to 0 minus x less than 0 function is, x less than 0 function is what here? 1 plus mod sin x whole power a by mod sin x equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x greater than 0. What is the function here? E power tan 2x by tan 3x, and is f of 0 equal to given is what here? B. Here once you observe here x tends to 0 means sin 0 is 0, it is something by 0 is infinity. So which form here? It is 1 power infinity form. 1 power infinity form. So we know that limit x tends to a f of x power g of x 1 power infinity form. We can write e power limit x tends to a f of x minus f of x minus 1 into g of x. We had applied this formula. So that by this equal to we can write here limit x tends to 0 minus 1 plus mod sin x minus 1 whole power a by mod sin x, that is into a by mod sin x equal to this value is how much here? Limit x tends to 0 plus, so e power tan 2x multiplying and dividing with what here? 2x. It is tan 3x multiplying and dividing what here? 3x. So equal to b. So this value is tan 2x by 2x is 1, tan 3x by 3x is 1. So here 1 cancel. That implies limit x tends to 0 minus, what is the remaining here? Mod sin x into a by mod sin x equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, that is e power xx also cancel, e power 2 by 3 equal to how much here? B. So sin x cancel. So that implies a equal to e power 2 by 3 equal to b. Here you take a equal to e power 2 by 3 equal to b. So LHL equal to RHL you take here. So this value is e power 2 by 3, a equal to e power 2 by 3. So that is a equal to b equal to e power 2 by 3.